had a great night at Molass Lake Campground, just a little bit outside of Silverton, Colorado. The camp hosts were awesome, the place was incredibly clean, and then the lake and the mountain views were stunning. So if you ever get over in this area and there's a spot open, I would highly recommend it.
Yes, oh my gosh, it was stunning. Every time you wake up or walk out of the camper, just gorgeous lake view, so we loved it.
Now it's time to head towards Ouray, Colorado, so we're gonna boogie on that way right now, I think.
This summer I'll be by your side. A wonder that you can't describe. How long will you wait for me? I want you to see what I see. I see you. How I see you. I'm looking down, it's really far. I felt a tingle in my heart.
On our drive, we decided to stop at the heart of the Red Mountain Historical Marker along the $1 Million Highway near Ouray, Colorado. Here is a historical mining district from the early 1880s where they found several valuable columns of silver ore. During this time, the mining district extracted over $30 million of silver, lead, copper, and gold. Now, on to Ouray for some lunch.
I'm looking down, it's really far. I felt a tingle in my heart. The sun has set, and stars will appear. In many ways, it's great up here. Somehow life goes on. The stars we know are gone. In this lonely place, I still see your face. I go round and round until every sound is a symphony.
Here we go, we'll see you in Ridgeway.
Somehow life goes
So we are here, and this is where we're trying to go.
Can you let you be everything for me? We still got a chance, so I stole a glance at your pretty smile. For just a little while.
A+ for the spot. Hi.
Well, we made it here to our new spot for the next 2 nights. We are just outside of Silverjack Reservoir near Ouray, Colorado, and we are set up here, Dad and Sarah in the Cirrus 920, and our campground has a pretty awesome view.
camp and she went to the restroom and she said my bathroom review might be not up to par, so I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, well, I'm going to have to disagree with the earlier statement. It really wasn't that bad. It actually smelled pretty good. They even had an air freshener in there. So, probably give it about 5 out of 10. Nothing special, but nothing horrid.
Well, we ended up having a great night over there in the neighbor's camper, aka Dad and Sarah. We ate dinner and then played some cards afterwards, and it was just a really fun night. But it's raining, as you can hear, a little bit, so we are getting ready for bed in here. And we will pick you back up in the morning.
Yeah, sounds good.
Good night, guys.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair
Good morning.
down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You don't need to
Lazy morning in bed.
Yay.
come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing, panting. I'm so lit. Like lilies you open, the fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've earned it. Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. Everything that has been don't matter.
Well, we took the Jeep out to Silverjack Reservoir and we did a little bit of fishing, caught some appetizers for tonight, and Dad's still out there on the kayak, but it was a great little way to spend the afternoon. A little bit of rain showers here and there, but overall we had a great time.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to share with you a pretty humbling experience that we've had. We've been running the Goal Zero for just about a month now, and last night the batteries dropped below 10%, which shut everything off because we want to extend the longevity of our Goal Zero. But either way, we've been parked in a pretty shaded spot. It's been raining the last couple of days and we ran out of power. So we're not driving very far today, so we can't get too much from the truck. So I actually am using a generator that my dad has for just an hour or two to try to get our batteries back up to a manageable level. And then hopefully we can keep it good with solar from there on out. But wanted to share with you all the realities of it. We tried really hard and have made it a really long way without having to go to reserve power, but here we are. You can see small generator right there, and we're charging at 220 watts. So hopefully this is the only time I have to do this, but it is a reality of it, and I just wanted to share that with you guys.
Feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid.
Well, that is going to do it for us this week, guys. We are headed out of Silverjack Reservoir, and we are headed to our next spot for about 3 or 4 nights, which will be in next week's video. But we had a great time here. We did a little fishing, camping, played a bunch of cards, and just really enjoyed this time.
Kicked his butt in cards.
Yeah, she did. She beat everybody, but...
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it every time you watch our episodes, and stay tuned for next week. If you are new here, we'd love if you subscribe, like, let us know what you like about the videos. It helps us edit and make the things you guys love watching. So Thanks for sticking around.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week.
See you next week.